Alright guys, let's get straight into it. So take your de-thawed shrimp, mine were frozen, spread some mustard on there as a binder. Use an onion powder, red pepper flakes, garlic salt, paprika. And this is Kinder's Butcher seasoning and seasoned salt. Just a little sprinkle of Sazon. This is a dried buttermilk, flour, and cornstarch mixture, by the way. And you just want to give that a good shake, get everything nicely coated. Then you're going to transfer over to your air fryer and try to space them out so they're all laying flat. You can throw a little oil or spray a little pan like I did in there. Next, you're going to separate the cilantro and the onions, and you're going to cut those up. So here I'm making a cilantro and lime kind of sour cream sauce. It's really, really good. I really recommend. I used like a tablespoon of lime juice, and now we're making the bang bang sauce. So that's sriracha, Thai chili sauce, and Kewpie mayonnaise. Sorry guys, I don't really have the exact measurements. I kind of just do what I feel, and you should do the same. And set it aside for the shrimp. I cooked my shrimp for like 15 minutes on 400. They were raw and I just really like them crispy. You can cook them for less depending on your air fryer. Mine's not as strong. And I would definitely use raw shrimp. Pre-cooked shrimp can get really rubbery. You can use pre-made, but I'm gonna take these corn tortillas and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a little bit of vegetable oil on a medium-high heat and just let them cook, flip them over once they get nice and golden brown and not too crunchy. And if you can, try not to splash oil and flour everywhere like me. Make sure you put them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Next, you're just gonna build your tacos and put a little of those toppings on that we left out, and you're good to go. Let me know what I should make next. Thanks.